Here's an example of a home that was built back in the 1960s. It has a single layer roof on it, but when they put the roof on, they did not put the rain diverter or the kick out to kick that water away from this wall junction. And right now, underneath this aluminum wrap cladding, there is dry rot. I can't show it to you, but you might be able to hear it. Let's get closer. So there's your gutter. This is where it should have gone. And you can actually see the stains right here in the front, but just listen to it. It's all rotted out in there, all the way to here. Look at this. It's falling out right out of that. Oh, right into the top of that pole. All rotted out.